This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Battery replacement. The bonnet release lever is located on the bottom of the lower dash panel. Open the bonnet by releasing the locking lever from the bottom of the dashboard above the throttle pedal. Lift the front of the bonnet up and release the safety lever before lifting the bonnet up and locking in position with the prop bar. Where fitted, disconnect the current sensor wiring connector from the negative battery terminal. Loosen the negative battery terminal clamp and lift the lead from the battery. Position the negative battery terminal clear of the battery. Pry up the cover over the positive battery terminal and loosen the positive battery clamp. Lift the positive lead from the positive battery terminal. Loosen the clamp mounting fasteners and lift the clamp from the battery. If the battery has an inbuilt handle, use it to lift the battery from the engine compartment. If the battery doesn't have an inbuilt handle, various types of lifting tools are commercially available. This tool fits over the battery terminals and allows you to lift the battery out with ease. While the battery is out, check the battery tray for any corrosion. This area of the vehicle is a common place for corrosion over time if the battery has at one point overflowed with electrolyte. Clean any flaking paint away with a wire brush and then thoroughly clean the area before painting it with a commercially available paint primer. Install the battery tray if removed. Install the battery. Ensure the positive terminal is towards the engine so that the leads are connected to the proper terminals. Install the clamp, engaging the rear hook with the bracket and the front bolt with the radiator support panel. Tighten the fasteners securely. Check that the battery terminals are clean and free from corrosion. If necessary, clean the terminals with a battery post cleaning tool, or if one is not available, some wet and dry sandpaper will make a suitable substitute. Connect the positive lead to the positive battery terminal and tighten the nut securely. Fold the cover down over the positive terminal. Connect it to the negative battery terminal. Tighten the nut retaining the negative terminal securely. If disconnected, reconnect the current sensor wiring connector. Depending on the trim level, the time may have to be reset on the vehicle center display once the battery has been reconnected. The power window's auto function will also have to be reset. To do this, sit in the driver's seat with the door closed. Start the engine and with the window open, hold the window switch up, closing the window. Continue to hold the switch in the up position for at least 5 seconds after the window has closed. Press the window down switch and continue holding the switch in the down position for at least 5 seconds after the window has fully opened. Repeat this on any other windows that have an auto open or close function.